Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I'm taking part in the 3-colour challenge. This was started by Purple Yarnivore and I was tagged by Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady. What you have to do is you have to get somebody to pick 3 skeins of yarn, 3 different colours, and then I need your help in your comments to leave me a comment telling me what you think I should make using these 3 skeins of yarn. So what I did, I've already got Rick to choose the yarn and it's here in this bag. I haven't got a clue because I was busy getting ready while he came in here and picked the yarn. So it's going to be fun. So this is going live today, the 12th, and it closes on Saturday the 16th, all the comments, and then on the 19th what I'll do is I'll give the results. I'll use the random comment picker to pick somebody from the comments. So I'm really excited. I hope you do take part and leave me a comment on what you want me to make with the yarn that my hubby has picked for me. It's going to be interesting. I'm a little bit nervous as what colours he's picked, him being a man and everything, but he's a gardener. He's in the garden at the moment while I'm recording this video, so I'm hoping the colours are good. So shall we make a start, guys? So let's see. So I'm not looking, and let's see. I'm a bit nervous, guys. Shows you how well my hubby knows me. He's picked me purple. It is from it's Deramores Anti-Pilling Studio Yarn, and the colour is actually purple. It's 100% acrylic, 273 yards. So that's the base colour. Just shows you how well he knows me, isn't it? I'm dreading it, guys. What's the next colour he's picked? He's a little tinker. He's picked lilac. And again, it's Deramores Baby Soft DK. So I've got them 2 colours. Oh my gosh, it shows you guys how much my hubby knows me, isn't it? Doesn't it? And let's see what the last one is. What's he picked? Aubergine. Oh, I just don't know what to say, guys. How well do those colours go together? What can I say? Oh my word. Oh my word. He knows me so well, guys. Honest, look at that. So, from these 3 skeins of yarn, which is aubergine, lilac and purple, what do you think I should make? Please leave a comment. I'm just sorry, guys, I just can't help laughing. It just shows you how well he knows me. I just said to him, go and pick 3 skeins of yarn, and I told him to, you know, to go to, you know, and I said just go to that wall, it's DK, just pick 3, and they're the 3 he's picked. What can I say, guys? What can I say? So I'm going to leave them in this bag, and I am going to now tag I'm going to tag the lovely Angela from My Precious Yarnery, my sweet friend Stephanie from Life in Stitches, and Katrina from Katrina's Crochet World. I do hope you girls will play along with this. I'm excited to see what your comments you're going to leave and what you want me to make with this yarn. I'm a bit stumped myself, to be perfectly honest, so any suggestions would be appreciated. They're all DK, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what suggestions you come up with. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for subscribing, leaving comments, leaving your thummies, and guys, even if you visit other people's videos, even if you don't comment, a thumb speaks 1,000 words really, and it helps all the content creators with their channels. And I can't thank you enough for all the support that you've given me, guys. So thank you all so very much. That's it from me. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.